Hello, Tech Explorers. Welcome to the first episode of Weekly AI Digest, unleashing the future 1 week at a time. So, every week we'll unveil the latest advancements in AI that are molding our future. Hit the subscribe button to stay updated on the AI frontier. Diving into healthcare, researchers from the Harvard Medical School have harnessed AI to develop tools that could help diagnose schizophrenia through language models. By analyzing speech patterns, they are exploring new realms in early diagnosis and treatment. On the digital defense arena, the wizards at MIT have crafted a robust algorithm to intercept the halt malicious robotic cyber attacks in real time. With a success rate of 99%, this AI sentinel is keeping unmanned military robots safe from nefarious digital threats. Adding a sprinkle of whimsy, researchers from the University of Valladolid are brewing up an electronic tongue to mimic taste. This quirky venture into the world of flavors is adding a zesty touch to the AI journey. At Character.ai, helmed by the ex-Google AI mavens, a new feature for subscribers is reshaping digital interactions. This innovation is making digital dialogues more engaging and intuitive, fostering a closer bond between humans and chatbots. The silver screen isn't untouched by AI's magic. Companies like Scriptbook are empowering filmmakers with AI tools to script, edit, and even predict audience reactions. It's transforming storytelling, one algorithm at a time. From the subcontinent, there's buzzing news too. Meta and Indian AI have joined forces to accelerate generative AI technologies. This collaboration is testament to India's burgeoning AI ecosystem, propelling innovations and crafting real-world solutions. As AI bridges global minds, the future holds a tapestry of endless possibilities. Moving on to social media, TikTok has rolled out a new feature enabling users to post directly from popular editing apps, thanks to Adobe's AI technologies. This feature is aimed at enhancing content creation and sharing on the platform. Over in the professional networking realm, LinkedIn has unleashed new AI-powered features aimed at redefining how we work. Their Global Talent Trends report revealed a significant uptick in job posts and applications mentioning AI, marking the growing influence of AI in the job market. Adobe is also making headlines with Project Stardust, an object-aware editing engine powered by the generative AI unveiled at the Adobe Max event. This innovation is set to revolutionize image editing, opening new avenues for creatives worldwide. In the developers' corner, JetBrains has updated its AI assistant for Intel IJ-based IDEs, integrating large language models to streamline daily workflows for developers, showcasing AI's potential in boosting productivity and simplifying complex tasks. Making waves in hardware, Microsoft is rumored to debut its first AI chip at Ignite 2023, aiming to mitigate cost and marking a significant stride towards making AI technologies more accessible and cost-effective. That wraps up this week's dose of AI advancements. Hit subscribe to stay updated and join us next week as we continue unraveling the AI narrative. Until then, stay tech-savvy.